Hey guys, welcome to the week 2 of the Ultimate Coder Challenge. And this week has been more focused on some of the basic concepts on how our application is going to function, which includes some based on some basic concepts or groundwork on understanding the chemical reactions based on the benzene ring. Then comes a point where we are trying to focus more on the rule engine on the backend, and finally a proposed architecture for the entire workflow. As for the organic chemistry reaction base is concerned, we are more focused on the benzene ring, which is basically it's an organic compound, and based on the benzene ring and based on other compounds, how the benzene ring reacts or how it resonates with other chemical compounds is a primary focus of the entire project. Also, the main fact that comes out here is the is more of the reaction mechanism the benzene ring follows, and also which is valid for other organic compounds. Here is an image for some of the compound structure of the benzene ring on the left hand side. The middle image is a simplified version of the benzene ring, and finally the last image shows some basic examples or of chemical reactions as how the benzene ring reacts with sulfuric acid at different temperatures. The most important part of the project is focused on rule engines, which is the entire backend of the system. As it's more of like the entire database for our organic chemical reaction is based on the entire uh, uh, C sharp rule engine. It so what it does, like Unity consumes the backend as an external package, and this particular piece of code or DLL file, which will be built at a later stage. This file or this particular structure contains all the essential parameters for a chemical reaction with the region of interest being a benzene ring, and also um, how the benzene ring will react with the effect of other compounds, essentially organic compounds, and how the changes will take place accordingly. So this entire thing will be coded as an external file in a C sharp script, and it will be made available as a DLL package which can be consumed easily by Unity. And the architecture or the basic flow of the proposed system goes as Unity interacts with our Acer headset, and based on the motions of the controller, specific events gets triggered, which ultimately triggers the backend, which is based on C sharp. Unity consumes the backend and displays the real-time result on our VR headset. So that's the entire workflow, or not exactly architecture, but it's more of a like a very basic level flow on how we are planning to move forward from the upcoming week, because the next week will be more focused on developing the rule engine as well as some essential visualization stuff. Thank you again, and we'll meet you next week.